Hello friends, I welcome you all to the class of English Compulsory BA second year, BA become BSc second year. In the previous class, we studied short stories. The first short story, The Remorseful Sinner, written by Leo Tolstoy, and the second short story which we came across is The Sniper, written by Liam O'Flaherty. Today we are going to study next unit, and title of the unit is Poetry. In this unit we will be studying two poems. The first poem is entitled as Love, written by S.T. Coleridge, and the second poem is Courage, which is written by Anne Sexton. So dear students, today we are going to study the very first poem, that is Love, written by S.T. Coleridge. To proceed ahead with the discussion of the poem, I would like to make you familiar with the perspective of the poet, then the outline gist of the text, then we shall proceed ahead with the discussion of the poem. S.T. Coleridge was an English poet. He was literary critic and a philosopher. He was born in 1772 and he died in 1834. He is one of the most celebrated poets of Romantic period. He was the youngest son of the Vicar of Ottery, S.T. Mary, Devon. He was destined for the church. A temperamental, dreamy child, he was sent away after his father's early death to Christ's Hospital School, London, where his precious classical reading and powers of inspired talk, which never left him, attracted a circle of young admirers, including Leigh Hunt and future essayist Charles Lamb. At Jesus College, Cambridge, during 1792 to 1794, a brilliant career in classics was diverted by the French revolutionary politics, heavy drinking, and an unhappy love affair, which led Coleridge to enlist in desperation in the 15th Light Dragoons. He died in 1834 and was buried in church. The works of Coleridge are divided into three kinds: the poetic, the critical, and the philosophical. They correspond to the early, the middle, and the later period of his poetry. His notable poems are Kubla Khan, Christabel, and the Rime of the Ancient Mariner. Coleridge was a poet, literary critic, and a philosopher. William Wordsworth and Coleridge were the founder of Romantic movement and a member of Lake Poets. He coined many terms including suspension of disbelief. He was physically unhealthy. He was treated for these conditions with laudanum, which fostered a lifelong opium addiction. He, with his friend Robert Southey, involved in a society called Pantisocracy, Coleridge married with Sarah and Sade with Edith, Edith Freaker. Coleridge's marriage with Sarah proved unhappy. He grew to detest his wife, whom he married mainly because of social constraints. In 1798, Coleridge and Wordsworth published a joint volume of poetry entitled Lyrical Ballads, and very publication of lyrical ballads is considered to be the beginning of romantic periods in English literature, which proved to be the starting point of the English Romantic Age. His works include The Rime of the Ancient Mariner, Kubla Khan, Xanadu, Frost at Midnight, and The Nightingale. After having glanced at the perspective of the poet S.T. Coleridge, let us proceed ahead with the discussion of the poem. The poem Love is one of Coleridge's most interesting and beautiful love poems. It is written in the form of a ballad and describes a story within a story. Ballad is one of the kinds of poetry which means a long narrative poem. Genevieve, the beloved in this poem, is a creature of the poet's imagination, though some critics identify her with the daughter of the poet's school nurse. The theme of the poem is the glorification of love. Love, according to the poet, is the supreme passion of human beings, and all the other passions are subordinated to it. There are 24 stanzas in this poem, and these stanzas are separated into sets of 4 lines or quatrains. This is the typicality of his poem Love. The present poem Love consists of 24 stanzas, and each stanza comprises 4 lines. So, dear students, after having perspective of the poet S.T. Coleridge, and after having sense of the poem, it is the time to proceed ahead with the discussion of the poem. Before dealing with the textual explanation of the poem, I would like to revise the things which we have come across regarding the perspective of the poet. S.T. Coleridge is one of the leading poets in Romantic period. He was a poet, he was a critic, and a philosopher. He was one of the founders of Romantic movement and a member of Lake Poets. He coined many terms as a critic. His most popular term is suspension of disbelief. And S.T. Coleridge published lyrical ballads in the collaboration with another leading Romantic poet, William Wordsworth, in the year 1798. And the publication of the volume of lyrical ballads is regarded as the beginning of Romantic period in English literature. His most celebrated works are The Rime of the Ancient Mariner, Kubla Khan, The Nightingale, Frost at Midnight, and Xanadu. So, the present poem is one of the most celebrated poems written by S.T. Coleridge. This poem is written in ballad form. It is a long narrative poem which depicts the love a passions of poet regarding his beloved. This poem describes a story within a story. The beloved of the poet is Genevieve, and it is believed that this beloved is the creation of poet's imagination. Though some critics identify her with the daughter of the poet's school nurse. The theme of the poem, love, is the glorification of love. Love, according to poet, is the supreme passion of human beings, and all the other passions are subordinated to it. As far as form of the poem is concerned, in this poem there are 24 stanzas, and each stanza comprises 4 lines. So this is the typical structure used by S.T. Coleridge to compose the poem Love. After having glanced at the perspective of the poem and outline gist of the text, let us proceed ahead with the discussion of the poem in the following class. With this, I would like to remain here. We shall continue the textual explanation of the poem in the next video. Thank you very much.